Wisconsin is technically the most recent addition to the community property family. In 1986, Wisconsin enacted the Marital Property Act, which created a community property-like system based on the Uniform Marital Property Act. Wisconsin calls its system marital property rather than community property, but it functions similarly to the traditional community property states. Wisconsin's marital property rules all property acquired by either spouse during the marriage, other than gifts and inheritances, is marital property owned equally by both spouses. Income earned during the marriage by either spouse is marital property. Property purchased with marital property earnings is marital property. Wisconsin allows spouses to modify their marital property rights through a marital property agreement, a contract that can designate certain property as individual property or otherwise alter the default marital property rules. For creditors, a marital debt, an obligation incurred for a marital purpose, is enforceable against all marital property. Both spouses' marital property earnings and assets are potentially accessible for marital debts. Wisconsin's homestead exemption is $75,000, protecting that amount of primary residence equity from creditor execution. Wage garnishment in Wisconsin. Wisconsin limits wage garnishment to 20% of disposable earnings, more protective of debtors than the federal 25% standard. Wisconsin's lower cap reduces the effectiveness of wage garnishment per dollar of earnings. Wisconsin does not recognize tenancy by the entirety. The marital property system provides the framework for joint marital ownership and creditor access. Wisconsin's marital property system, combined with the 20% wage garnishment cap, creates a specific enforcement environment. Bank account levy, real estate line enforcement, and business asset execution are often more productive strategies than wage garnishment. People Locator Skip Tracing provides Wisconsin marital property, debtor investigation, and enforcement support. Visit peoplelocatorsskiptracing.com to place your order.